should have a sign like that.
Hope you know I'm recording.
Huh?
Well, if you're gonna start.
You're gonna go.
Oh, pass. I couldn't say hi.
Whatever.
Come on, hurry up. This is gonna be the longest race ever. You're supposed to start over there.
What? We're supposed to start over where?
Yo, I need a pillow.
You're supposed to start with the garbage can.
Dude, that hurts my butt. I need a.
I have a Mr. Wedgie.
I need a running start.
You want to pick it for me?
No.
Wait, is that the same dude?
No.
That just hung?
No, it's not that.
They look exactly alike.
I know.
Hurry up.
Where are you going?
It's like vroom.
Okay, ready?
No.
Are you?
To the pole, so like stand over there or something, and you can zoom in. Or you're gonna just follow us?
No.
Just
Oh, okay.
like follow us.
Fine.
We're not going to go fast anyway.
Okay. You guys ready?
Not really.
Yeah. Ready?
Ready, set, go. She's beating.
And they're off.
You're like...
Oh my god.
What a crap. Oh, wait!
Daniela.
The finish line.
Yes, I did.
Danny won.
Let's go.
No, you...
Switch right. But you have to right, didn't you?
No, you have to sit down. That's your rule.
You guys are gonna go again?
Ready?
Ready? Wait.
Alright. Ready? I'm gonna burn out first. Wait.
Okay.
Oh, that's how you do it.
Are you ready, Fredo?
Burn out first.
That's not fair.
You ready? Are you ready yet or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready.
No, I'm not ready.
Okay, ready, set.
I'm not ready.
Well, hurry up.
Okay, I guess why not?
Go.
Okay, ready, set, go.
No, you cheater. It's supposed to be sitting down.
Car.
Ow! You ran into me.
I'm breaking the back.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to pedal.
Oh my god.
Ah, what are you doing?
No. I'm back.
Danny won again. You're gonna go back?
Do you want to try?
No.
I'm gonna jump this. I think I broke the training wheels. Yeah. I broke the training wheels.
Wow, this is fun.